Hello everyone! If you are looking to withdraw funds from KuCoin and transfer them to your bank account, you are in the right place. I will show you the steps to cash out your crypto easily. So now let's get started. First, you will need to sell your cryptocurrency for fiat currency like USD, Euro, or GBP. Open the KuCoin app or website, go to the Trade tab, and select Spot Trading. Sell your crypto into fiat by choosing the appropriate trading pair. Once you have the fiat on your account, head over to the assets, then select main account, deposit and withdraw. Choose withdraw and select the fiat currency you want to withdraw. If this is your first withdrawal, you will need to link your bank account. Choose the payment method you prefer such as bank transfer and enter your bank details carefully. After linking your bank, enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the details. Confirm the transaction and KuCoin will process your withdrawal. The funds should arrive in your account within a few business days. And that is how you can withdraw money from KuCoin to your bank account. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.